Welcome to our channel. Today, we will review together one of the most prominent books in the world of personal development and financial motivation, which is the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad by author Robert Kiyosaki. Have you ever asked yourself what is the difference between rich and poor? Have you wondered about the secret behind the wealth of some and the inability of others to achieve financial independence? If these questions are troubling you, the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad will provide you with inspiring and useful answers. Today we will reveal the secrets of achieving financial success and achieving wealth through our analysis of the most important concepts and lessons in this wonderful book. We'll cover how to change your money psychology, how to build multiple income streams, the importance of financial education, smart asset investing, and more. We will provide you with a comprehensive and detailed overview of the content of the book, with guidance on how to apply these lessons in your daily life to achieve financial success and financial independence. Let's begin our journey towards a deeper understanding of wealth and financial success, and learn together how to become a rich dad and avoid becoming a poor dad. Follow us. First, 1. The difference between the financial mentality of the rich and the poor. In the book, Robert Kiyosaki talks about the main difference in financial mindset between rich and poor people. It shows how rich people think and act differently than poor people when it comes to money and investing. 2. Financial education. Rich people pay great attention to financial learning and developing their financial skills, while poor people lack this type of education and financial awareness. 3. Risk and opportunity. Wealthy people understand the importance of taking perceived risks in order to realize opportunities and profit, while poor people avoid risk and stick to safe and traditional things. 4. Long-term thinking. Rich people think long-term and plan well for the future, while poor people look more at immediate needs and lack long-term planning. 5. Sources of income. The wealthy seek to build multiple and diverse sources of income, while the poor rely mainly on their fixed income from salaries and wages. Understanding these differences in financial mindset helps individuals change their approach to money and investing, and can have a significant impact on their ability to build wealth and achieve financial success in the future. Second, the importance of financial education. This point is considered one of the basic foundations on which the book is based, as it emphasizes the importance of financial education in achieving financial success and financial independence. Here are some important points that the book presents in this context. Understanding assets and debts. The book encourages understanding the difference between assets and debts, and how assets can generate income while debts are a financial burden. By understanding this variability, individuals can make better investment decisions and achieve financial growth. Developing personal financial management skills. The book considers developing personal financial management skills, such as the ability to plan financial, personal budget, and saving, as essential to achieving financial success. Think about investing instead of spending. The book urges individuals to change their thinking patterns so that they move from excessive spending to smart investing. And this requires a deep understanding of how to generate income and achieve a return on investment. Acquiring financial knowledge and experience. The book encourages the acquisition of more knowledge and experience in the fields of investment, finance, and business management through continuous reading and learning. By focusing on financial education and developing personal financial skills, individuals can improve their ability to better manage money and achieve financial independence and wealth in the long term. Third, invest assets intelligently. This point addresses the importance of investing assets intelligently and effectively to create wealth and achieve financial success. Here are some important points that the book presents in this context. Understanding real assets. The book encourages understanding the difference between real assets that generate income and increase in value over time, such as real estate, stocks, and businesses, and pseudo-assets that do not produce income, such as luxury cars and luxury clothing. Investing in income assets. The book urges focusing on investing money in assets that generate income, such as real estate that can be rented out or businesses that generate profits from buying and selling. Thinking about long-term value. The book stresses the importance of thinking about the true value of assets in the long term, rather than focusing on quick, short-term profits. Diversifying investments. The book encourages diversification of your investments to reduce risks and increase opportunities by investing in a variety of assets and markets. Continuous learning. The book encourages continuous research and learning in the fields of investment and asset management to develop a deeper and more sophisticated understanding of how to make the right investment decisions. By investing assets intelligently according to sound financial principles, individuals can achieve financial growth and build wealth effectively in the long term. Fourth, achieving financial independence. This point focuses on the importance of achieving financial independence and how to reach it. Financial independence means having sufficient sources of income to cover your monthly expenses and achieve the life you desire without having to rely on your monthly income from salaries or wages. Here are some important points that the book presents in this context. Building multiple sources of income. The book encourages building multiple sources of income, such as investing in real estate, starting a business, and generating income from financial investments, making you more financially independent. Orientation towards passive income. The book points out the importance of seeking passive income, which is income that comes without having to participate in your daily activity, such as rents and distributions from companies. Making a profit from assets. The book urges you to look for opportunities that allow you to make a profit from the assets you own, whether they are real estate, businesses, or financial investments. Orientation towards long-term investment. The book stresses the importance of thinking about the long term when making investment decisions, and focusing on building wealth sustainably in the long term. Getting rid of debt. The book advises reducing debt as much as possible, as getting rid of debt is considered an important step towards achieving financial independence. By following these tips and applying the right financial principles, individuals can achieve financial independence and personal freedom to manage their financial lives and achieve their goals and ambitions. Fifth, changing stereotypical trends. This point focuses on the importance of changing stereotypical attitudes and beliefs related to money and wealth, and motivating individuals to take a new and smarter approach towards wealth and financial success. Here's a detailed explanation of the idea. Think differently about money. The book challenges readers to change the way they think about money and challenge stereotypical assumptions and beliefs that may be an obstacle to achieving financial success. Challenging psychological limitations. The book encourages challenging psychological limitations that prevent achieving financial goals, such as fear of failure or doubt in the ability to achieve wealth. Adopting new habits. The book provides guidance on how to adopt new habits that help achieve financial success, such as saving regularly, setting financial goals, and developing investment skills. Regaining control of financial life. The book encourages regaining control of financial life and not completely relying on salaries and wages as the sole source of income. Enhancing self-confidence. The book seeks to enhance individuals' self-confidence and motivate them to explore new opportunities and achieve financial success. As the final point in the book Rich Dad Poor Dad, changing stereotypical attitudes is the essential step towards achieving financial success, as individuals have to change the traditional view of money and see it as an opportunity for growth and improvement. By adopting a new, smarter approach to money, individuals can achieve financial independence and successfully achieve their financial goals. Thus, we have reached the end of our journey in exploring the book Rich Dad Poor Dad, where author Robert Kiyosaki provided us with a unique and valuable vision on how to achieve wealth and financial success. By examining the significant differences between the financial mindsets of the rich and the poor, emphasizing the importance of financial education, investing assets intelligently, striving toward financial independence, and changing stereotypical attitudes related to money. The book has given us valuable tools to achieve financial success in our lives. We hope that you have enjoyed and benefited from this journey, and that you have absorbed the valuable lessons provided by the book. We wish you success in your journey towards achieving wealth and financial success. If there are ideas or conclusions you would like to share with us, please feel free to leave your comments below. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button to receive all new updates. Thank you for watching and your valuable time, and we will see you in the next videos.